Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business promotional creative using film grain in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and setting a clean canvas. I place my promotional image and duplicate it. I open Camera Raw filter and slowly add film grain. I pause here because promotions must grab attention but stay clean. I balance the grain so it supports the design, not overpower it. I zoom in to check product areas. I zoom out to feel the emotional pull. Now I add business promotional text with strong alignment. The creative looks powerful, emotional, and business ready. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.